Every year on the same day, the universe pulses. Astronomers call it the 17th event. A ripple in space and time, a gravitational anomaly that peaks every October 17th. For a single heartbeat, two worlds align. Physicists say it's coincidence. Theorists call it convergence. But some believe it's something deeper. When worlds collide, memories cross dimensions, and through the chaos of the cosmos, love finds a way. This October 17th, the universe remembers her name, Chaser.
Happy birthday, Che. I'd like to honor you and to take this opportunity, to thank you for the sacrifices that you've been giving to the office, the support, and of course, yung pagiging superwoman mo, how you balance work, life, and I know your sacrifices as well, sa trabaho at sa pamilya mo. Truly, grasya ka sa amin. And I just hope and pray for your good health and more blessings, more success in your career, and of course, in your family life. In as much that you've been supportive to me, to the office, ganun din po yung bibigay kong suporta sa'yo as your brother, and again, I just pray for a good life, and of course more resources that you will enjoy with your family, and also to share to other people and to us as well. Again, enjoy your day, and see you on Monday for another celebration. And syempre, we expect food, ganun kasama talaga ng celebration yung food. So hindi na ako magluluto sa Monday, but I expect na ikaw yung magdadala ng pagkain namin sa Monday. Maraming salamat and enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi guys, happy birthday. I love you, I miss you.
Hi Bes, happy birthday. More blessings to come, more chika, and take care always. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Besh. Huwag kang mag-alala, paid ito. Minom ako ng gamot bago ko gawin to. Pero yun lang, kailangan madaliin kasi saglitan lang ang talab. Alam mo yan. Well, happy birthday my friend. And enjoy your day. And alam ko naman na halos na-reach mo na lahat ng goal mo sa life. 100% perfect husband, check. Production target na si Lian at saka si Rampot, check na check. And then self-sufficiency, check na check. And then yung lang, siguro every year, next coming years, yung sustainability na lang, bahala ka na, kaya mo yan, matanda ka na, alam kong yaka mo yan sa buhay. And happy birthday ulit and enjoy your day. Love you, mwa.
Happy birthday to my BFF. I know it's been a year since nung last time nagkita, pero kita mo naman, I still remember your day. Siyempre, ko na to, pinaka maganda, pinaka cute, at pinaka sexy mong BFF. By the way, I wish you all the best, and sana maging happy ka always with your family. And yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Hello, Kabsat Kumare. Happiest birthday. We thank the Lord for the gift of life, for the another year full of blessings, for all the graces He has given you and to your family. And please know that I am always here for you and for kumpare, Kabsat Ramil, and for all my inaanaks, to your loving children. And I hope someday makapag-celebrate ako with you pag hindi na busy-busy. And I am always praying for you, for the both of you. May God grant your heart's desires. Take care and I love you, Kabsat Kumare. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Chaser. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Sana palaging i-bless ni Lord yung family mo at lagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Ate Chaser!
Happy birthday, Tita Dada. We love you.
Hi, Che! Happy birthday! Ano pa bang maihiling ko para sa'yo? Nasa iyo ng lahat, nasa iyo ng kagandahan, nasa iyo ng kalusugan, nasa iyo ng kabutihan. Ano pa bang pwede kong ihiling para sa'yo? Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Pero kidding aside, I wish na magpatuloy ka maging successful sa iyong mga endeavors. And syempre, good health for you and your family, sa inyong pamilya nila Ramil, sa mga kids. And of course, everlasting happiness, peace sa inyong dalawa ni Ramil sa family nyo. So, I wish and I pray na yung mga pangarap mo, matupad mo, yung mga aspirations mo, makamit mo. And sana, maka-inspire ka pa ng mas maraming tao sa paligid. So yun lang, Che. Happy birthday and I hope to see you soon.
Hi, Ate Chi. Happy birthday nga pala. Thank you for being a good friend. I pray that God bless you with more blessings, ladder, more love, and less stress sa buhay. Enjoy your special day. Don't forget na magdasal pag kumain ng handa. Sana next time may pamerienda na.
Hi sis, happy birthday. So first, continue to be a blessing to everyone and continue to shine in all that you do. And I pray to God that He will grant all the desires of your heart. Again, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day.
Hello, madam! Happy birthday! Alam mo ba, ikakasal na yung... Ay, nakasal na! Kasal na sila! Dapat ninang ka! Hoy, madami yung magkano. Madami ka ng utang, madam! Yes, true. Ninang pa, ninang. O, ninang pa. Ito, buntis na! Zumba ulit, girl! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, madam! Happy birthday, madam! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, madam!
Hello, Ate Chase. Good afternoon. Happy birthday. I wish you good health all the way, and I wish that all your dreams in life and aspirations will materialize. I am eager to meet with you again soon and bond. I miss you, and I wish you all the best. Bye.
Hi, Ate Ching! Grabe, 35 ka na. Hindi halata. Feeling ko 27 ka pala. Grabe, nung naalala mo dati nung magkakasama tayo sa SFC. Tapos ngayon, mommy of 2 ka na. Miss you, ate. Dati nagkwekwentuhan lang tayo after prayer meeting, no? Tapos ngayon, feeling ko, ikaw na magiging abogado kapag nagkaroon ako ng problema. Eme. Happy birthday, ate. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo and stay masiyahin and ikip mo yung prayerful vibe mo. Love you. Hang out tayo soon.
Happy birthday, dearest. Today, we celebrate the beautiful soul that you are. The best mom of 2, the best wife of a PD, the best public servant, the best sister, and the best daughter with the greatest faith of God's beloved. Sobrang swerte ko lang na nahanap ko ang isang kapatid at kaibigan sa katauhan mo. May this year bring you moments of peace, joy, laughter, and abundance. I love you. God bless. Ingat parati.
Hi, Ma'am Chaser. Oh my gosh! Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. By the way, happy 35th birthday to you. Grabe, I still remember back in the day na ikaw yung laging maingay sa group. Super masayahin and always reminding everyone to pray before mag-start na kahit anong lakad. I'm happy to see how far you've come with your beautiful family. Your two adorable kids, your loving husband. I just hope today ikaw naman yung mapupuno ng love and laughter. Enjoy your day, Ma'am Cheeser. You deserve all the blessing and happiness. Happy birthday po ulit. Don't forget, once a joyful soul, always a joyful soul. Bye!
Hi Ate Chaser, happy birthday. This is your day. Meron akong 3 wishes para sa'yo. Una is good health para sa family. Ikalawa is good career path, which is meron naman na but you deserve it further. Ikatlo ay umorder ka pa ng mas maraming examen. Thank you for being a good business partner and being a good friend at Chaser. God bless you and God bless your family. Happy birthday.
Chaser! Happy birthday! Today is your special day! So, kailan mo ako tatawagan ulit, ha? I miss you! LJ misses you, you know, our usual cafe hopping, you know, chika over some coffee and matcha, you know, pero, happy birthday. And you have 2 kids na pala. Oh my gosh. Mapaldo ka dyan, sis, ha? Anyways, happy birthday. Mwah. LG loves you. Stay pretty. You don't even look a day over 30. Honestly, hindi ka nagbago since college. Girl! Labas na tayo. Tawagan mo ako. Lalabas tayo. Let's go, girl. Naka-outfit na ako. Thanks, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Mwah.
So, ayun, kakagising ko lang and naalala ko na birthday mo pala ngayon. So, happy birthday, Chaser. Grabe, miss na kita. Ang tagal na nating hindi nagkita, ha. Parang last year pa yung last na pagkikita natin, di ba? Sorry if hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo ngayon kasi sobrang busy ko and alam mo naman yun, di ba? Lagi kong nagkwento sa'yo na sobrang busy ko talaga. Pero next time, babawi ako, okay? Kapag hindi na ako busy, magko-coffee date tayo, te. Ayan. So, wish ko sa birthday mo is more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, kahit once a year ka lang mag-birthday. And please take care of yourself and remember that ang buhay ay weather lang. Yes! Happy birthday!
Ateng, happy birthday! I'm always thankful for having you in my life. You've always been such a genuine and kind person, and I really admire your strength and kind heart, lalo na para sa family mo. I hope this year brings you more happiness, love, peace, and success. Love you, ingat ka palagi, lalo na sa mga biyahe mo. See you soon!
Hi Ate Chaser, happy 35th birthday sa'yo. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Pakamusta mo na lang ako kay Tita Maria at Tito Mel. By the way, ang wish ko lang sa'yo ngayong birthday mo, stay healthy, stay friendly, at sana wag ka makalimot. Sana mapalaki niya yung anak niyo ni Kuya Ramil ng may respeto, may galang, at higit sa lahat may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday ulit ate. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day and God bless. Miss ko na kayo dyan. See you soon.
Hi Che, good morning. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Alam mo yan, masaya ako sa mga natutupad mong pangarap. And I hope na mas lalo pang ma-realize yung mga plano mo sa buhay. God bless you and your family. See you soon.
Hi Che, happy birthday. Wish you all the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not speak English straighting because I'm just adjusting. Happy birthday ulit. Wish you the day is become the day before the other month is next month. And another year is your year to celebrate again. Let's celebrate again your birthday. Happy birthday!
Hi, Attorney Mars. A blessed birthday to you. Have a great day and I hope you'll enjoy today. God bless.
Hello, Mari Chaser. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako makaka-attend sa birthday mo. Alam mo na, busy. Regards na lang kay Pare Ramil.
Hi Mars, happy birthday. Thank you for being one of the nicest na kumares that I have. And ngayong birthday mo, I just wish na the Lord will bless you in your career, that the Lord will bless your entire family, and that the Lord will eventually give you the desires of your heart, Mars. So, I wish you good health, more blessings, more babies, kung kaya. Love you!
Happy birthday, sis! Parang kailan lang, no? Nakapunta ako dyan, parang 2 years ago na yun. Namimiss ka na ng mga anak mo. Pero ikaw, may utang ka pa sa mga inaanak mo. Uy, Nika, magpakita ka sa ninang mo. Birthday niya.
Nahiya ako. Sabi na lang happy birthday.
Ay, naku talaga. Basta mag-iingat kayo dyan lagi. Namimiss ko na kayo. Bye-bye!
Happiest birthday, anak. May all your dreams come true. You're the most important person in my life. Thank you for always being there with us always. Live long life. We love you. Happy birthday.
Sino ako? Kapitbahay niyo ko. Okay. First of all, nalaman ko kasi na birthday mo. So, I wanna greet you happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. Maintain mo lang yung pagiging good mother mo, a good wife, and ayun, a good student. Hey, good student. So, alam kong kahit may work ka na is nag-aaral ka pa rin. Keep going lang. So, hanggang mahaba pa ang taon natin. So, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto. So, ayun, tagal na tayong hindi nakikita ha. So, chat naman. Ayayin mo naman ako dyan. Baka may handa kayo dyan. Tawagin mo naman ako. May God bless you always and your family also. So, keep safe and stay pretty. So, ayun lang. Chat mo ako ha. Baka may handa kayo dyan. Bye!
Hi Ate Che, happy birthday sa'yo. Kamusta ka na? Grabe. Kailan kaya tayo ulit magkikita? Kasi yung naalala ko pa yung last meet natin is hindi ko na pala maalala. Grabe, miss ko na yung banding natin, ate. Yung last na meet natin is in-advisean mo pa ako kasi broken ako that time. Pero syempre ate, ikaw pa rin yung kilala ko na masayahin, friendly, and super blooming na kakilala ko kahit may 2 cute na babies na ngayon. And sobrang inspiring ka, lalo na sa faith mo and sa energy mo. Na sana this year mas ilalo ka pang i-bless ni Lord sa good health, happiness, and also sa family mo. And anyway, ate, I just want to thank you for being such a light to everyone around you. And I really admire how strong and faithful you are being a wife and mom sa 2 mong anak and then sa asawa mo. Enjoy your day, ate. Remember na kahit 35 ka na, mukha ka pa ring 18. God bless, ate.
Hi Sis Che, happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and blessings. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Chaser, my friend, your life is a gift from God. May this year shower you with the same happiness and laughter you give to everyone. Happy birthday, bestie. Cheers to another trip around the sun.
A beautiful soul who manages to be a wonderful mom of 2, a loving wife, a true friend, and an exceptional employee all in one. May your day overflow with love, peace, and happiness. Stay kind and beautiful inside and out, just as you are. Happy birthday, Ate Mars!
Ay, happy birthday, Che! Sorry ngayon lang, medyo busy pa kasi alam mo naman na yung buhay dito. Buti na lang pinaalala ni Ramon. Kumusta na pala yung mga inanak ko dyan, si Archie at si Gia? Sabi Uwi ko lang Pilipinas. Happy birthday!
Hello, good afternoon kumare, kumare Cheeser. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Ate Dada. I love you.
Happy birthday po. Turning 35 years old ka na po pala. Pero yung itsura nyo po is parang 25 pa rin nung last nakita ko sa inyo. Pero yung energy nyo po kasi minsan parang 55 years old na kapag hindi nakakapagkape. Ikaw na talaga ang certified tita of the year. Friendly, masiyahin, mabait. Saludo ako sa iyo tita. Loving wife, super mom of 2 at prayer warrior pa rin. So ayan po, happy 35th birthday po ulit tita. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw mo. Huwag masyadong seryoso sa edad. Isipin mo na lang po na level 35 ka na po sa isang game.
Happy birthday, Insan! O, di ba? Hindi mo ako makita? Kasi nga, nasa kadiliman ako. Pero guess what? Kahit nasa kadiliman ako, naalala ko yung birthday mo. Happy birthday uli, Insan! I wish you more light in life. Unlike me. Kasi, I'm here, blackout, you know? Pero, siguro, hindi to blackout. Siguro nagtitipid lang ako. Again, happy birthday, Insan. I wish you all the best. I wish you more light in life.
Hello! Ayan, happy birthday, Mars. Wishing you a super happy and relaxing day today. Alam ko how much you do every single day. All the sacrifices, yung lahat ng mga pagod and love you give for your family. So, you're such an amazing mom and friend. And you truly deserve all the blessings coming your way. Today, take this day to rest, to smile, and just enjoy being celebrated. You've earned it, sobra, as in. So, cheers to more laughter, to more chikahan, and beautiful moments ahead. Happy birthday again, Mars. Take care always. Bye!
Hi, Tita Chaser! Happy birthday! So, I'm your cute and beautiful pamangkin. And I hope na lahat ng wishes mo is matupad. Alam mo, grabe, nung bata pa ako, binubuhat-buhat mo lang ako. And now, I'm college na. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Yes, alam mo na yon. So, yon, thank you for all the advice na binigay mo sa akin. Lahat ng advice through, or whether it can be in academics, and love life, and family, and other stuffs. Marami akong natutunan sa'yo, and thank you for giving me those advice because I know na magagamit ko siya in the future. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, and sana makabanding ko ulit yung children's mo. So, yun. Happy 35th birthday. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Tingin dito ah.
Birthday, Ninang! Love you! As always! Bye!
Happy birthday, Chaser, and wish you all the best in life. Good health, and God bless you always. I love you, anak, and stay beautiful.
Hello, Che. Kumusta po? Kumusta po yung masters nyo at yung loan nyo? Happy birthday and wish you good health and a happy family. Bye po.
Happy birthday to Chaser. Birthday mo na pala sa Friday. Naalala ko lang yung tinulungan mo ko sa masters natin. Tapos, dilibre mo pa ako samgyup. Sarap ng samgyup natin. Tapos, sana maulit-ulit. Tapos, yun lang. More birthdays to come. Tapos, enjoy your day.
Hi Jaser! So gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa'yo for being one of my biggest fan. Anyway, I just want to greet you a happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Ingat!
Ngayon ako, nagtingan manin. Tiyal daw, panakayanak mo. Nagyaman tayo kiniapo Diyos ta taginayon iti salon at tayo nga pada-pada ay nang rona kanyayo medyo kaasin ni apo ket naalwan met panaglayon iti kabibiyagyon ako sabi ko makini apo ta agtultuloy iti kasta nga kasasadyo no napimpintas met tayong timasakbayan dagiti anak yo sabi kiniya po tultuloy iti karadkad tayo nga pada-pada ang nangaro na kinyayo nga agasawa tapno iti kasta kahit nataltalgin met lang iti panang tarawid yo panang padakkel iti anak yo kahit sapay lang ko ti apo na Marso anak ko ta iti daytoy nga panakagteng manen iti kasangay mo at maragrag sakpay ta siyempre iti dua nga anak yo ket adadta sidong yo sabi kini apo ta aglangin-langin kayo nga agnanayon ito lang iti kiddo ko ito ko ma iti imula yo iti panunod yo ket talakas tanan ako ha naimbag nga panagkasangay mo manen happy 35th birthday gaya men sige.
Happy birthday, Che. On your special day, I wish you overflowing love, success, happiness, and everything that makes you happiest. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Carpe diem.
Hello anak, Chasel, happy birthday. Ano, kamusta kayo dyan? Ayan, mag-iingat kayo dyan at alam niyo namang nangyayari ngayon, maraming corruption, no? So, ayun, happy birthday anak, Chasel. Ayun nga pala, good luck sa work mo sa Bifa. Ayun lang ha, happy birthday again anak. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mari Chaser. Balita ko, birthday mo ngayon. So, happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. God bless.
Hello, sis. Happy birthday. I thank the Lord na nakilala kita, and I thank the Lord even more na we continue to be friends. And I praise God that I have met such a strong woman like you, sobrang determined and persevering, and sobrang lawak na understanding. I pray that as you grow older, may the Lord continue to give you strength and wisdom and the character of a mother that He is molding you to become. And sana i-bless palalo ni Lord ang marriage ninyo ni Ramil, and bless your kids even more. God bless you always. I hope to see you soon again. Happy birthday.
Hi ate, happy birthday. More birthdays and blessings to come po. And of course, more success in life and good health. Thank you for everything and for being supportive in all aspects. Have a blast. Love you.
Hello Mars, kamusta kan? Birthday mo gayam. Nandanik pa'y nalipatan. Nya, kasanuan niya ti handam. May nak makipanganot? Ti wish ko kanyang tatang birthday mo kat sapay la kumata. Pabuludan na ti kwarta Mars. Cha, atidug, ken masalun at nga panagbiag, ken pigsam, tapno mataripatong pa'y nga nalain dagiti anak mo. Ken ma-enjoy mo ti life mo. Ajay lang Mars, sapay la kumata naragsak ka nga birthday mo. Ingat ka kanayon. So, i-chat na to lang na mapalang dita balay yun. Char. Happy birthday Mars. See you when I see you. Enjoy your day and God bless you. Bye!
More birthday to come and more blessing to come. Look at you now. You're very successful woman. I wish you all the best and good health, and wag mong papabayaan yung sarili mo. And yeah, you're still beautiful and a wonderful mom. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jason.
Hi, Nak. Happy birthday ulit. Mama Mary visited us today, and one of my special prayer intention is for your good health and happiness. I wish you all the best in life, especially your career and good health. Hope you will have more healthy years and happiness. Enjoy life with Ramil and the kids.
Happy birthday, Mare! God bless!
Happy birthday, Che! I wish you all the best in life, no? Of course, sa ating budget officer, planning officer, information officer rolled into one. Kaya I wish you always to have a good health and continue a happy life. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ninang Che. Happy birthday po. Another year older, but you look still young and beautiful po. You're one of the best Ninang, the best mother, the best wife, the best daughter in this world po. And we are so glad to have you po. And by the way, Ninang, thank you po sa gift na binigyan niyo ng birthday ko. This is so cute po. Lagi ko po siya katabi pag natutulog ako. And thank you very much po dito. And I wishing po another memories with you, another year with you, and a memories to create po. And don't forget to enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ninang Che. I love you.
Hello po Ninang, happy birthday. Cheers to your special day and more birthdays to come po. Regards po kay Ninong Ramil.
Hi, Ninang Che! Long time no see po. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ninang Che! We hope to see you soon po. Sana makabisita kami sa inyo since bata pa kami nung last ka namin nakita. Miss ka na po namin. Happy birthday po! Enjoy your day po!
Hulaan mo kung sino tong babati sa'yo. 1, 2, 3! Oh my God! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
kilala mo ba?
Che.
Naalala mo pa ba kami?
Kaya nga.
Parang sa tagal nating hindi nagkita, di mo na kami kilala one by one.
Oo, junior high pa nung last ata natin kita kasi nabalitaan namin na sobrang busy ka na mag-aral ng law.
Wow, law student. Oh my God! Sana all. Anyways, since birthday mo and ni-reach out kami ni Ramil para mag-send ng video greetings sa'yo, enjoy your life and galingan mo sa trabaho and sa school and sana magkita-kita na tayo soon. Hang out soon.
Kapag pumunta na kami sa Santa Ana,
pag-uwi kami. Baka naman. Ang dami pa namang dagat dyan, di ba? So,
na-miss ka na namin.
Sana hindi na ubos yung dagat kapag natuloy yung reunion natin. So, yun ha, mag-ingat ka palagi. Stay healthy and wag mong papabayaan yung sarili mo, yung asawa mo, yung anak mo. And more blessings to come. Happy birthday! Bye-bye! We miss you so much! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mare. Sapay kumata nakaragtad ka kanayon. Aganad, kin, God bless you and your beautiful family. Miss you.
Hi, Besh, Dada. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo, Besh. Ikaw na talaga yung Wonder Woman of Cagayan. Pero kidding aside, alam ko lahat ng ginagawa mo, you do it with heart and faith. Kaya kahit saan ka dalhin ni Lord, magiging blessing ka pa rin sa work, sa school, sa family at friends mo. Siyempre kasama ako dun. Happy 35 birthday, Dada! May God continue to guide you sa lahat ng goals mo and don't forget to rest paminsan-minsan ha. Kahit sandali lang naman, baka magulat ka biglang exam ulit na naman dyan. Hay nako ka. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Wait. May nakalimutan. Parang may magbo-birthday. Magbo-birthday. Meron. Birthday. Siya ba? Siya nga! Si Maring Che! Ano gagawin pag may birthday? Kanta daw! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Maring Che! 35 na yan. 35 yarn? Parang hindi, parang magdedebo lang eh. True. Cutesy pa din. Pretty lang. Basta enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo, man. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come. More blessings to come.
God bless, Mare.
At saka maging happy ka lang ulit. Mag-ingat palagi.
Diyan naman si husband.
si husband, and si 2 kids, at saka huwag kalimutan si God. God bless.
Sige na.
Hi, Chaser! Happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. Wish namin sa'yo mabuhay kang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Chaser, my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chaser.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Thank you for the love and support you've given to me. You're the best mom, and namimiss ko na po yung luto niyong favorite kong adobong manok, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Mommy, I love you.
Hi, Mom! Happy birthday to you, my mommy. I'm so sorry, Mommy, kasi hindi pa ako makakauwi pala i-celebrate pa yung birthday niyo. But don't worry, Mommy, kasi kaya ko pang i-celebrate yung birthday niya here. So I have some surprise to you, Mommy. You remember this? Our family picture. And I have also flowers for you, Mommy, and your cupcake. Happy birthday, Mommy. I hope you appreciate this.
Thank you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you.